Hey guys, today we are gonna be looking at my cuckoo clock. I got this from yesterday. This one you could see here. It has a chime, and that one over there, which I got this from the birthday. Forest. A pendulum is not working. I'm trying to wind it up, but it's just, you see over there, you see, you could see that one. It's a 2 acorns. That one, you see. Yeah. It's that one. Pendulum, that one it is. The pendulum is moving. No. What? Yeah, it's pretty a long time. That one. I'm just the ticking pendulum. Like I said, it's you could see the cuckoo inside of it. That one you could see. That one, it's a circle. That's a lot of shape. This one, which is, that one looks better. Thank you for watching, for being enjoying my videos. I'll see you tomorrow.